Welcome to the enchanting landscapes of Portugal. In this journey, we'll explore the scenic wine regions that make this country a paradise for wine lovers. From the lush vineyards of Douro Valley to the rustic charm of Alentejo and the vibrant freshness of Vinho Verde, get ready to discover the heart and soul of Portuguese wine culture. Welcome to Portugal's serene countryside, where breathtaking landscapes and timeless traditions await. Today, at Passport Pathways, we're exploring Portugal's celebrated wine regions and rural areas. From the ancient vineyards of the Douro Valley to the rolling hills of Alentejo and the lush green charm of Minho, this is a journey for all the senses. Our first stop is the stunning Douro Valley, one of the world's oldest wine-producing regions and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Picture yourself in a landscape shaped by time, with the Douro River winding through steep terraced vineyards that have been cultivated for centuries. This valley is famous for producing Portugal's iconic port wine, as well as rich table wines that capture the spirit of this remarkable place. Douro's vineyards aren't just scenic, they're a testament to human ingenuity, with terraces painstakingly carved into the hillsides, creating an ideal environment for grapes. Imagine sipping a glass of robust red or sweet port, while overlooking these lush vineyards. At renowned estates like Quinta do Vallado and Quinta da Pacheca, guests can explore the vineyards, learn about traditional winemaking, and indulge in tastings paired with local cheeses, olives, and meats. A journey along the Douro River, whether by road, boat, or train, offers mesmerizing views of terraced hills that change with each season. In autumn, the landscape turns into a patchwork of orange and gold, while in spring, fresh greenery blankets the valley, making it a photographer's paradise. If you could try one wine in the Douro Valley, would it be the classic port, a robust red, or maybe a crisp white? Tell us in the comments. Next, we travel to Alentejo, a region celebrated for its vast plains, sprawling vineyards, and cork oak forests. Known for its bold red wines and rich cultural heritage, Alentejo offers a glimpse into Portugal's rustic charm. The landscape here feels boundless, with golden fields stretching to the horizon and the occasional whitewashed village adding a pop of color. Alentejo is home to the historic town of Évora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that beautifully preserves Portugal's layered history. With its Roman Temple of Diana medieval cathedral and unique Chapel of Bones, Évora offers a profound connection to the past. The region's cuisine is hearty and traditional, featuring dishes like a corda, a savory bread soup with garlic and coriander, and porco preto, local black pork, which pairs wonderfully with Alentejo's robust wines. Alentejo is also one of the world's leading producers of cork, with vast cork oak groves covering the region. Visitors can even witness cork being harvested, a process that takes incredible skill and patience, as each tree can only be harvested every 9 years. Between tastings at local vineyards, exploring historic towns, and learning about cork, Alentejo provides a deeply immersive experience. Alentejo is especially beautiful in spring when the fields bloom with wildflowers, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of colors. It's the perfect time to hike, photograph, and explore. Our journey continues to the north, where we discover Minho, a region defined by its verdant landscapes and Portugal's famed Vinho Verde. Unlike other wines, Vinho Verde is light, crisp, and slightly effervescent, making it a perfect choice for warm days. In Minho, vineyards thrive in the fertile valleys, and you'll see grapevines trained overhead, creating green canopies that add to the region's unique charm. While in Minho, we visit the town of Guimarães, known as the birthplace of Portugal. Its medieval heart is filled with narrow streets, historic buildings, and charming squares. The Guimarães Castle and the Palace of the Dukes of Braganza provide a glimpse into Portugal's royal past, with imposing stone walls and centuries-old artifacts. Minho is also known for its hearty cuisine, with dishes like bacalhau à Braga, a local take on Portugal's beloved codfish, and the famous caldo verde, a comforting soup with kale and potatoes. A glass of Vinho Verde complements these flavors perfectly, enhancing the freshness of every bite. Visitors to Minho will be captivated by its lush scenery, warm hospitality, and deep-rooted traditions. Have you tried Vinho Verde? Let us know in the comments if you prefer it with a light meal or as a refreshing drink on a hot day. Finally, we head to the Douro region, a hidden gem nestled in the foothills of the Serra da Estrela Mountains. Douro is one of Portugal's oldest wine regions, producing exceptional reds that reflect the unique terroir of the region. With its granite soil and cool mountain breezes, Douro wines have a distinct character, rich, structured, and often with notes of dark fruit and spice. Many of Douro's wineries are family-owned, offering intimate experiences where guests can tour the vineyards, meet the winemakers, and enjoy tastings in cozy cellars. Unlike the more commercialized wine regions, Douro feels quiet and personal, giving visitors an authentic connection to the land and its traditions. The Douro region is also perfect for nature enthusiasts. Its rugged landscapes and mountainous terrain provide excellent hiking trails, scenic drives, and opportunities to visit traditional villages where time seems to stand still. Exploring Douro is like stepping into Portugal's rural past, where you can truly unwind, enjoy the simplicity of country life, and of course, taste exceptional wines. Portugal's countryside and wine regions are a feast for the senses and a journey into the heart of Portuguese heritage. From the ancient vineyards of the Douro Valley to the scenic plains of Alentejo, the lush hills of Minho, and the hidden gem of Douro, each region offers something unique. Whether you're here for the flavors, the landscapes, or the history, Portugal's rural areas promise experiences that linger long after your trip. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Portugal's countryside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers who dream of Portugal. Let us know in the comments which region you'd love to visit, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, happy travels from us all at Passport Pathways.